가진 눈빛의 속삭임 I'll be yours I'll be yours.
Hello students. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish. Okay, good morning student. How are you today? Okay, who is absent today? Oh, all is calm. Great. Before we come to our material today, I want to ask you. First, I have a ball. I put the ball here. Its color is yellow. Then, what do I need to do to give motion to this ball? Yeah, that's right. I need to give it a push. So, I need to apply a force on the ball to give it motion. And then, what is needed to stop the motion of the ball? Again, a force. The question I ask you relate to the topic that we are going to learn today. Today, we are going to learn about force. After you learn this material, you are able to know the definition of force and the effect of force. What is force? What is the definition of force? Okay, I'll give you illustration to get the definition of force. We do a lot of activities in our daily life night. Starting from when we wake up until we go to sleep. When we wake up, we push our blanket away. We stand up, we go to the bathroom. Before enter, you are going open the bathroom door. A push or a pull is called force. Push our blanket and open the bathroom door are examples of force. So, we can define force as a push or pull action working on an object. Can you mention the other example of force? Opening a door, riding a bicycle, lifting an object, and many others. Please note, the two most common forms of force are number 1, push, and number 2, pull. Okay, number 1 push and number 2 pull. Okay, we go to the first one. First, force can cause an object to move. What does it mean? I give an illustration. When you kick a ball, at first the ball is staying still. Then you kick the ball. When you kick the ball, you apply a force. So, the force causes the ball to start moving. Okay? Number second, changing the movement of an object. What does it mean? I'll give you illustration. When you and your friend play a bike, you see your friend go too fast, and it can be dangerous. You try to save your friend by pulling the bike so that the bike goes slower, or when the girl applies a force to kick the burning ball, the ball moves faster. So force can change its speed, that is move faster or slower. Besides that, force can change the direction. Example, when the man applies a force to hit the ball moves in another direction. then force can stop moving too. Example, when you play a basketball and then your friend is trying to pass the ball to you. When you try to catch it, you are going to push your hands together so that the ball stops. So you apply push force and the ball stops. And the third is changing the shape of an object. What does it mean? Okay, do you know squishy? When you play squishy, you can change the shape of squishy that you want. So you are applying a force that can change the shape of squishy. Another example, the force of the hand on the spoon change the shape of the spoon. That's clear. Any question? Okay, if there is no question, we move to opposing force. What is opposing force? When we push or pull an object, we can feel a force push against us or pull away from us. This force is called an opposing force. An opposing force acts in the opposite direction of a push or pull. When we push down on a spring, we are applying a force on the spring. We can feel the opposing force, the spring pushing against our hand. The size and shape of the metal change. The other examples, when we pull a rope, we are applying a force on the rope. We can feel the opposing force of the rope acting and on our hand. Is it clear? Any question? Okay, if there is no question, now open your book on the page number 75. Exercise 1 until 5, write down in your paper. I'll give you 10 minutes, start from now. Okay, finish, time's up, please collect your paper. Okay student, today we have learned about force. Force is any interaction that can cause an object with to change its motion. Force can cause an object to move, changing the movement of an object and changing the shape of an object. Okay, you have done very good job today. Don't forget to do your homework on the page number 18. We will discuss it in the next meeting. I think that's enough for today. Thank you. Good morning.